Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on Incognito mode in the foremost popular browsers in your OPPO Find N2 Neo. So, at the start, Firefox. It's very simple. On the welcome screen, just click here and zero mask and that's it. But if you have any tab open it, you need to click on the taskbar icon, choose zero mask and add a private. The next one is Adobe Edge. Click on the taskbar icon, choose in private and add a tab. The Opera, like before, click the taskbar icon, choose private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, click here on this three-dot icon or arrow icon, go to the new Incognito tab, and now you're in the Incognito mode and history, the completed forms, the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.